Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Guru YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of English grammar to demystify the use of can and could. These two words can sometimes cause confusion, but by the end of this video, you'll be using them with confidence. Let's start by getting a clear understanding of what can and could mean. Can is used to express present ability and permission. It's the word you use when you talk about what you're capable of doing or when you're allowed to do something. Could, on the other hand, is a versatile word. It's used for past ability and making polite requests. It's a bit like can's polite cousin. Let's dive deeper into can. When we use can to talk about present ability, we're saying what we're capable of doing right now. For example, I can speak English. She can ride motorbike. He can sing. Permission. Can is also used to ask for or grant permission. For instance, can I borrow your book? Can I open the window? Can I make a call? Now, let's explore the wonders of could. When we use could to talk about past ability, we're talking about what we were able to do in the past. For example, when I was a child, I could swim. I couldn't call him yesterday. We could not attend the conference. Polite requests. Could is also a polite way to make requests. It softens the request and makes it sound more courteous. Like, could you please pass the salt? How could I help you? Could you please slow down the car? Now, it's your turn. I'm going to give you a few sentences to practice in the below. Let's see how well you've grasped these concepts. Fantastic job, everyone. That's a wrap for today's lesson on can and could. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these words in your everyday conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful grammar tips.